Good morning. Started day 4. We're in the lobby of the beach club right now. Had a fun night last night. Closed out Magic Kingdom. Didn't see the fireworks because Kaylee freaked out as usual. Nicholas was up all night again, so I've been up since 5:45 doing laps with him around the boardwalk and beach club, pond, lake area, lagoon, whatever you want to call it. And we got the Oogie Boogie popcorn bucket ready to go for today. But we're actually heading over to Animal Kingdom for about a half a day, and then we're gonna come back and hang out by the pool the rest of the day. So get some relaxed time in, because yesterday was a long day at Magic Kingdom. So looking forward to another fun day here, and let's kick it off. We're here. Got through security.
We are here. We're here.
We're gonna check in now. I'm going to pass holder line. I'm flexing the pass holder muscles this morning, I think. I don't feel like waiting in this. We're going through the pass holder line. We'll meet you on the other side. Suckers! Got the roller coaster club here.
We're in.
Everyone else blissed out on Everest. We're heading over now. I love this park.
So what?
I think this one's one of my favorites. What do you think, Court? Is this still your favorite?
Yep, favorite.
She hates being on the camera.
that was super. That was super.
Just got off Everest. I think the scariest part about going on Everest with a camera is trying not to drop the camera, because I thought I was going to drop it at least 3 times. So now we're going to go get a cocktail.
There, right?
What do you think? Thumbs up, thumbs down, Billy T?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Is this for real? Oh my god.
It is.
It's 10-10.
10-10.
I'm on vacation. Okay, we just got off the safari. It was awesome. It's really hot out today though. It's been hotter today than I think it was yesterday by far. We thought yesterday was hot. So now we're gonna head into Harambe Market, and I'm gonna try to get one of these curry style sausages. I've never had anything from here before, so I'm curious to try it. So let you know how it is. Are you having fun today?
Yeah,
What was your favorite part about Animal Kingdom so far?
I think going to Pluto's
Pluto's Boneyard! You want to go back there?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll see what we can do. If not, we'll be here again another day, okay?
Wait, I still want to take more pictures.
Oh, you want to keep going? Tell them about what the rest of the stuff you're going to do today.
So I really want, I didn't do anything with you today, so I want to do something with you.
What would you like to do with me?
Like, maybe you can
Go on the
come.
Triceratops spin?
Yeah.
Alright.
What do you want? Now you get in the video.
I want to go on Triceratops spin with Kaylee.
Wait, you already said that to me. You have to think of something like different.
I want to meet Launchpad McQuack with you.
Daddy, I don't like that character.
What about Daisy Duck?
Yeah.
Alright. Just got done at the Harambe Market. It was delicious. I had the curry sausage, and coleslaw was a little spicy. I also tried the Tusker Lager, and enjoyed it all. So not bad for a quick service credit. And now we are on our way to our Kali River Fast Pass. So we're gonna try to get Kaylee to go on it. Wish us luck. So cranky. Who's getting so cranky?
Haley. Oh yeah. Yeah! Let's go, we're going, come on, we're going. Hold this and get you. Oh yeah, hold this. Oh, Haley, come here. Haley.
Just walking out of Flame Tree Barbecue. heading over to our Flight of Passage Fast Pass, and then heading back to the pool. So, what'd you think of Flame Tree?
I don't care.
No response from anybody. Court's gonna give you a response.
For what?
Flame Tree, how was it?
The best.
The best. No, it was delicious. Had the pulled pork, French fries, snack credit. I could have eaten that as a meal, to be honest with you. So we're now heading over to Pandora. So we'll see you after Flight of Passage.
Thank you guys
Pandora rookies, right here. Flight of Passage rookies.
Hold on. In all seriousness, thank you guys for inviting all of us to come here.
You're welcome.
Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Na'vi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee.
Just got off Flight of Passage. Court got nauseous. What'd you guys think?
Best ride I ever went on in my life. Unbelievable.
All right.
Oh God, my heart's still pounding.
Court got a little motion sickness, but
I think it's sick.
all right, she's not nauseous. She just wasn't a big fan of it though. I get it. It's a little bit over the top if you're not into that thing. But anyway, we're heading out now. We're gonna go back to the pool and spend the rest of the day relaxing by the pool.
I'm in.
Drinking cocktails. What's up, guys? We're back at the hotel now. Had a super fun afternoon down at the pool. Nicholas is sleeping right here, so I'm trying to be as quiet as I can to not wake him up. Yeah, pool was awesome. The kids ate some food, we had some drinks. I didn't want to film at the pool because I feel like people in bathing suits get a little weird when there's cameras around, so I figured I would just keep it away. But tonight we are going out with Lou and Lisa for adult night 2. We're going to be hitting up the boathouse tonight, and my parents are actually going to paddlefish, so it's a Disney Springs night. Again, not going to bring the camera with me, but looking forward to another fun night. Talk to you guys later.